when you have log a raised to the power x is equal to y. Now, this means that according to the definition of logarithm, this means that y is the power to which the base a must be raised to get the value x. And this can be expressed as a raised to the power x is equal to y. Now, let's look at two examples where we can apply this definition. So when you have log 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to 3. Now, according to the definition of logarithm, this means that 3 is the power to which the base 2 must be raised to get the number 8. This can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. Look at this other example. Log 10 raised to the power 1000 is equal to 3. This means that 3 is the power to which the base 10 must be raised to get the number 1000. And this is expressed as 10 raised to the power 3 is equal to 1000. Log a multiplied by log b is equal to log a plus log b. We can rewrite this expression as log a plus log b is equal to log a multiplied by log b. This is the product law of logarithm. Let me show you how to apply this law. So when you have log 2 plus log 5, this is the same thing as log 2 multiplied by 5. And log 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to log 10. The value of log 10 is 1. Log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. We can rewrite this expression as log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. This is the quotient law of indices. Let me show you how to apply this law. Log 20 minus log 4 is equal to log 20 over 4, which is the same thing as log 5. Log 100 minus log 10 is equal to log 100 over 10. And the value is the same thing as log 10. And log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1 because 1 is the power to which the base 10 must be raised to get the value of 10. N is equal to n log a, or n multiplied by log a. This is the power law in logarithm. Let me show you the application of this law. Log 8 is the same thing as log 2 raised to the power 3. And this can be expressed according to the power law as 3 log 2. Log 27 can be expressed as log 3 raised to the power 3. According to the power law, this can be expressed as 3 log 3. Hello. Log 1 is equal to 0. This is because 0 is the power to which a certain base must be raised to get the value of 1. So if we raise log 10 raised to the power 0, the value is 1. The log of any base raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, the log of 1 is 0. This is the log of 1 law in logarithm. Let me show you how to apply this law. Log 2 over 2 is equal to 2 will cancel out 2. The result is 1. Therefore, log 2 over 2 is 1. And we know that from the log of 1 law, log 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, log 1 is 0. So if you have log 5 over 5, it's equal to log 1. And the result is always 0. Log a raised to the power x is equal to log x all over log a. This is the change of base formula in logarithm. Let me show you how to apply it. Log 2 raised to the power 8, according to the change of base formula, can be expressed as log 8 all over log 2. We can express log 8 as log 2 raised to the power 3 all over log 2. When we have log a raised to the power b, this is the same thing as b log a, according to the product law of logarithm. Therefore, we can express log 2 raised to the power 3 as 3 log 2 all over log 2. And this can also be expressed as 3 log 2 raised to the power 2, which is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 1. Log 2 raised to the power 2 is 1. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of log 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to 3. Log 5 raised to the power 25 is the same thing as log 25 over log 5. And log 25 can be expressed as log 5 raised to the power 2 all over log 5. We already know that when we have log a raised to the power b, it is the same thing as b log a. Therefore, 2 log 5 all over log 5. And the result is, so when you have log 1 over 10, this can be expressed as minus log 10. And we know that the value of log 10 is 1. Therefore, the result is minus 1. When we have log 1 over 100, the result is minus log 100. And we know that log 100 is equal to 2. Therefore, the result is minus 2. Log n root a is equal to log a raised to the power n. And according to the power law, when we have log a raised to the power b, this value is b log a. Therefore, log a raised to the power 1 all over n is expressed as 1 over n log a. This is the Root's law in logarithm. It is a variation of the power law. Let me show you how to apply the Root's law. So when you have the log of the square root of 100, this can be expressed as log 100 raised to the power 1 all over 2. And we know that according to the product law, a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. Therefore, this can be expressed as 1 over 2 log 100. We know that the value of log 100 is equal to 2. Therefore, this can be 1 all over 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 1. Look at another application. The logarithm of the cube root of 8. And this value can be expressed as log 8 raised to the power 1 all over 3, which is the same thing as 1 all over 3 log 8. Log x plus 3 is equal to 1. And this can be expressed as x plus 3 is equal to 10. I'm going to put 10 in place of 1 in this equation. X is equal to 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. Look at this other equation. Log x plus log x minus 3 is equal to 1. This can be expressed as log x plus log x minus 3 is equal to 10. So the logarithm of 10 is 1. So I'm putting 10 in place of 1 in the equation. Recall that log x plus log y is equal to log xy, the product law. So I'm going to apply the law here. Therefore, this expression will now become x multiplied by x minus 3 is equal to 10. And this is the same thing as s squared minus 3x is equal to 10. This expression is the same as s squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. And to solve this equation, we need to look for the factors of 10 that we sum up to give us minus 3. And the factors of 10 that we sum up to give us minus 3 is minus 5 and plus 2. So this expression is x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. And it's the same thing as x. It's the same thing as x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the values of x are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to plus 5. If this video is informative, don't forget to like and share this video. If you want to have access to all my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel.